This video will walk you through the basic requirements of your major program.
In this video, we will be discussing the Bachelor of Science in Accounting. If you do not already have your advising sheet downloaded, please take a moment to pause this video and open your advising sheet that details your academic program requirements. These can be found on our College of Business website at cwu.edu/business/academic-planning. Be aware that this video will cover the 2020-2021 catalog. Depending on when you declare, your requirements may differ from this specific catalog's requirements.
This advising sheet is based on the requirements listed in the university catalog. The online CWU catalog is the official listing of all program requirements and graduation requirements. This advising sheet is a helpful guide. Your major requirements are specific to the year you are admitted, not the year that you are pre-majored. Please be sure you are viewing the advising sheet specific to your program year. The advising sheet also lists all course prereqs as they apply to the requirements in your program. Be very familiar with your course prerequisites. The advising sheet and this video are not substitution for meeting with an advisor, merely tools to help you understand your requirements and prepare for academic planning. The first part of the advising sheet are the admission requirements for this program. It is required to complete English 101 and 102 with a C- or higher. Students who took Management 200 in or after fall 2018 can use it to replace English 102 for admission to this program. The other admission requirements include 30 college credits, a 2.25 collegiate GPA, that you are in good academic standing, and that you have completed the College of Business Policy Agreement in Canvas. There are two types of admission to the College of Business. You can be pre-majored, which means you are still working towards the admission requirements, or fully majored. Pre-majors are evaluated at the end of every term for admission status. The next portion on the advising sheet are the foundation requirements. The foundation requirements are your building blocks for the rest of your business curriculum and are some of the first courses you will take in the College of Business. They are also prerequisites for many courses in the core and specializations. Accounting majors or minors must earn a 2.0, C on most scales, in Accounting 251 and 252, and a 1.7, a C- on most scales in the others. These all must be completed before taking 400 level accounting courses. The next section are the core requirements. The core are broader areas of related business and accounting fields. Students can mix taking foundation and core area classes together as long as prerequisites are met. Students need a minimum of a C- in the core area classes. If you are double majoring with business, please consult that program sheet for any other minimum grades needed in the core class area. The next section will detail the accounting courses needed. These can be mixed with your core area courses. Just ensure you are reviewing minimum grades and prerequisites when planning your classes. Typically, students will begin their Accounting 350 series in either fall or winter, and will progress through their Accounting 350 series in consecutive quarters. This is an important area to work with advisors to plan to ensure you are not delaying this necessary coursework. It is also important to speak with your advisor or your faculty about which elective choices are right for you. The last courses are Management 489 and Business 489. These classes should be taken your last quarter and require that students have applied for graduation. Additionally, you must have passed all foundation and core classes with a C- or higher. You will have noticed that almost all of your major classes have some form of prerequisite. Prerequisites are classes or requirements you need to complete prior to enrolling into the course. Prerequisites in the College of Business are closely monitored to maintain our AACSB accreditation. Maintaining our accreditation is also one of the reasons why we cannot waive prerequisites for courses. When you are planning your schedule or looking into what classes to sign up for in the next term, ensure that you have checked their prerequisites. If you have any questions on if you meet a prereq, you can email or talk with your academic advisor. Be aware that you cannot take your 400 level accounting courses until you have completed your foundation coursework. This is one reason that it is very important to have an accurate graduation plan for your time here. In addition to the specific course requirements, there are minimum GPAs required to graduate as well. To graduate, you must have a 2.0 CWU GPA, a 2.0 collegiate GPA, a 2.25 major GPA in all of your major classes, and a 2.0 upper division GPA in the 300-400 level accounting classes. To graduate with your accounting degree, you need a minimum of 180 total credits, 60 of which are at the 300-400 level. You are allowed to transfer up to 105 credits from the community college towards this requirement, and 135 from the university level. You must take at least 45 credits at CWU. In your accounting major, you must take at least 37 upper division credits in the major at CWU, 17 credits of which must be accounting-specific coursework. The College of Business will not accept community college coursework towards meeting the 300-400 level coursework in the major. All classes counting towards the major must be completed within 10 years of graduation, unless an exception has been granted. Just as your major has specific requirements to graduate, so does the university. Please review your academics with your advisor to ensure you are on track for graduation. To highlight a few, all students must complete the CWU General Education requirement, either through the CWU General Education program or by transferring an approved direct transfer degree. Students entering CWU without an approved DTA must complete 2 years of approved foreign language at the high school level or 1 year at the college level. Students transferring with less than 45 transferable credits must take University 101. This ends our video regarding the requirements of earning an accounting degree at CWU. Please contact cbadvising@cwu.edu if you have any questions. We wish you all the best in your academic journey.